Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Okay, welcome to our live for P5 Maths revision. Okay, but if you are P4, it's fine. Okay, if you are P3, even more, it's fine. All right. Okay, so those that are just joined, welcome. Okay, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, just for today, Coach Shaira is not around. I'll be taking over just for today. Those who were in during the previous live that saw me before, yeah, it's me again. Okay, those who are new, hi. All right, so for today, we have 5 questions. Okay, some of the questions I'll basically let you all try on your own first. Okay, if we don't have time, then I'll just go through with you guys. All right, okay, so for those that are new, just a quick heads up. Okay, at the top right here, right, you see there's a link to our Telegram channel. Okay, here. All right, so you all can actually go to our Telegram to get these notes, and at the same time also for all our previous free resources also. All right. Okay, so for a start, all right, I would like to challenge everyone. Okay, I give you all 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute to try question 1 first before I go through. All right. Okay. All right. So come on, 1 minute. It's a very easy question. Don't need use calculator. Don't use calculator, okay? For question 1 lah, okay? The other questions probably you can. Okay, but for question 1, try it without calculator. 1 minute, I'll go through. Okay? Okay, in the meantime also, those who just joined, hello. And also do like and share this live so that more of your friends can also learn maths at the same time. Come on, spam the like button, spam the like button. Yeah. It's going to be boring if you could see just one heart shape. Come on, just spam it. And share it also, okay? Okay, in 30 more seconds, I'll go through question 1. Okay, if you all got your answers right, you want to put on the chat, feel free to do so also, okay? Okay. All right. Okay. I'm starting to see some answers. Okay. So those on TikTok and those on IG, come on, put your answers in. Okay. I saw one. Okay. Okay. So the primary 5 maths is almost the same as primary 6 also. So it will be beneficial for both also. Yeah. Okay. All right, okay, come, let's go through. Okay, I'm seeing some of the correct answers already on the chat. Good job. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, so 0.4% of 20. What we can do is, if you have percentage, remember, always put it over 100. But a common mistake would be student will put 4. Okay, but it's not. We should put 0.4 and multiply by 20, right? Okay, so what we can do here, cancel these zeros and this 0, and then this 2 and this 10, this 2 and this 10, there's a common factor of 2. So we can divide both by 2, become 1, divide by 2, become 5. So what you have here, right, this line here is actually stands for a divide. So all you have to do now is do 0.4 divide by 5. Okay, so we do 0.4 divide by 5. Okay, what we can do here, we can ignore the decimal point first, but there's a 0 here, minus 0, 0, then put a decimal point, bring down the 4. Still cannot, so I put another 0. Put another 0 here, bring down. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay, so minus 40, 0. So the answer is actually 0.08. Alright? Okay. Okay, so the answer is 3. So all those who just now put 3 on the chat, okay, good job. Okay. Okay, so in the meantime also, those who just joined, welcome. Okay. Remember, this link at the top right here. Okay. This thing at the top right here is where you can find the notes. Alright. Okay. Okay. So, in the meantime, anyone, any questions? Okay. Any questions? Oh. Okay. Alright. So, wait, let me. Okay, those who are not able to see the division that I did earlier, let me shift it over. Okay. So just now I did this division where I did 0.4 divided by 5. Okay, 0. 0 cannot, so I minus 0, I got 0. Then put a decimal point here. Then the 4 bring down, but still cannot. So I put another 0. And then I put another 0 here also. Then I bring down the 0. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay. And then minus, you get 0. No remainder. So no more remainder, that means you can stop it. Okay, so 0.08. Alright. Okay, just in case, for those who are a bit worried about the division, right? Okay, actually just now before I cancel off, right, I had like 0.4 over 10 times 2, right? I'm left with this, right? Initially when I cancel the zeros, actually right here, you can also do, this is again like divide. So 0.4 when I divide by 10, I just shift the decimal place to the back, to the left. So I got 0.04, okay, multiplied by 2 equals to 0.08 also. You see? Same step. Okay? Alright. Okay. So if all are okay with question 1, okay, let's proceed to okay, those who are in secondary school is understandable because you are so used to the calculators, okay? Okay. Come, let's go to question 2. Okay, question 2, right, is actually from this Nanhua school paper. Okay, from this Nanhua school, it is a paper 2. Okay, so it's a paper 2, that means what? That means you can use your calculators, okay? Those with your calculators ready, okay, you may start to try. Okay, for this question, I give you all some hints first, okay? The hints here is, this is a question on rates, okay? So there's this first 40 meter cube and above 40 meter cube. Okay, so for the first 40 meter cube, there's a different pricing. And then for the after the 40 meter cube, the remaining amount, you need to use the second pricing. Okay? Okay, so for this question, they say that you need to calculate for 66 meter cube. Alright, so just a heads up, this is, it looks like an MCQ just because we draft it that way. Okay, it's not that you were supposed to see an MCQ paper in the paper 2. Okay, so supposedly in that paper, right, it was still a blank space that you're supposed to work it out. Okay, yes, today is only primary school maths. Okay, so come on, I give you 3 minutes, okay, to try it out first, then we go through together. Alright, so those who are new, okay, welcome. And then just take note, we have this Telegram link, okay, where you can get the notes for today, and also some other free resources there also. Okay, at the same time, do like and share the live, okay? Press the like, okay? And also share with your friends, okay? Okay, come. 3 minutes, okay, for you all to try. Then after that, you all can share your answers on the chat. Okay, take note, you need to find the costs, okay, how much they will charge. That's why you see all the options there got a dollar sign in front. Okay, because they're asking how much were they charged. Okay. Okay, it's interesting to see you all liking the live, okay? Come on, just keep on liking it. And also at the same time, try question 2 also. Okay? Yeah, those who are just joined, my name is Coach Mo, okay? Okay. Okay, anyone stuck at this question? Or anyone already done? I'm already seeing some answers, okay? Probably, possibly is correct. Okay, I'm seeing quite a number of answers on the chat. Good, good. That means you all are participating. Very good. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, those who just joined, I'm at question 2. Okay, and it's a question on rates. Okay, so sometimes it might come out as a question on like how much is a cost of to park a car at a car park. Okay, but this time around, this question is about volume of water. Okay, don't worry, there's no need to do length times breadth times height here. There's no length, there's no breadth, there's no height. Okay, but you just need to calculate. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing quite a number of you putting your answers. Okay, those who are still trying, you got 1 more minute. Okay, time's up. Okay, come, let's go through. Okay, so the thing here, they are asking for 66 meter cube. Okay, and the prices that are given or the charge is $1.17 per meter cube. So like for every 1 meter cube, they charge $1.17. Okay. And then here, for the second, for above 40 meter cube, right? So what do they mean by above 40 meter cube? The remaining amount after you take away 40 meter cube. Okay, here is 1 meter cube is $1.40 per meter cube. Per meter cube means every 1 meter cube is that price. Alright? Okay, so now what we have is something that is more than 40 meter cube. So you have 66 meter cube. So what you can do is split it up. Okay, split up to 40 and the remainder, which is 66 minus 40, and we will get 26. Okay, so now firstly I do this 40 times $1.17. Okay, because for every 1 meter cube is $1.17. We got 40 meter cube. The first 40, okay, is like you split up to 2 batches, like 2 buckets. Okay, so even though this is a paper 2 question, I'll just do working here. $1.17 multiplied by, okay, before I do that also, okay, remember if you multiply by 40, right, you can actually do it this way. You can also do it as 1.17 times 4, then times 10. Okay, so I times 4 here. 7 times 4, 28. So I put 8 and 2. 1 times 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then lastly, 4 times 1, 4. Then put a decimal point there. So then $4.68 multiplied by 10 equals to $46.80. But we are not done yet, okay? This is only for the first part only. The remaining 26 here, we haven't calculated yet. So that will be 1.4 times 26. Okay? If I want to put dollar sign, I put 2 decimal places. Okay, so 1.40 multiplied by 26. 0 times 6, 0. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 and 2. 1 times 6, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay? Then I do as per normal first. I don't put a decimal point first. Okay? I wait until the end, then I put a decimal point. So usually when you multiply 2 digits, you must put a 0. Okay, then 0 times 2, 0. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 2, 2. Then I plus. Okay, now I plus. So 0, 4, 8 plus 8, 16. Put a 1 here, 3. And then 2 decimal place. So I put here 2 decimal place. $36.40. Okay, now if at this point you see $36.40 and $36.40, immediately you put the answer, you will get it wrong, okay? Because one thing we haven't do, the first 40 meter cube, this was the answer. For the remaining 26 meter cube, this was the answer. One last step, we need to add, okay? We need to add. So 80 cents plus $36.40. Okay, let me do the working. I think I can do it at the top here. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put a 1 here. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, and we got $83.20. And the answer is 2. Okay, so all those who put 2 earlier, good job, okay? Okay, alright, so just a quick recap, okay? This is a question on rates, okay? Rates meaning like you need to calculate how much water, the cost for using a certain amount of water, okay? So in this question, right, they are asking us to calculate for 66 meter cube, alright? And then the rates is, for the first 40 meter cube, it is $1.70 per meter cube. Above 40, $1.40 per meter cube. So if, let's say the user only use something that is less than 40, right, then you just need to calculate using $1.70. Alright, but here in this case, we got above 40. So you need to calculate separately. That's why you see here, I separate it 40 and 26. Okay, there you see I do the subtraction here. Then I did the first step, which is 40 times 1.17. I can split it up to times 4, then times 10. I got $46.80. The second part, $1.40 times 26, I got $36.40. Then I do my addition, and I got the answer. Alright. Okay. Okay, so that's for question 2. Okay, so in the meantime, while you're copying, okay, or you're looking through again, okay, feel free to like and share, okay? Alright. Okay, so this is question 2. Okay, if you are still copying, come on, copy, okay? Okay, at the same time also you can share with your friends. Okay, and do spam the like button. Okay, like and share. Okay, at the same time also, right, if this is the first time that you see our TikTok page or our IG page, okay, feel free to follow us back also. Okay, so follow us and then you can easily come back to the live again, probably the next sessions and all that. All right. Okay. For those who want to see the question again, okay, this was the question. Okay, take note, this was actually a paper 2 question. So actually technically there isn't a options for the multiple choice. Okay, just for the format of our lesson, that's why there's the choices there. Okay. Those who just joined, welcome. Okay. Those who are new, take note, there's this link here at the bottom left of your screen. You all can actually go to this link, okay, to download these notes. Okay, if all are good, let's go to question 3. Okay, question 3. Okay, anyone got any idea what kind of problem sum this is? Okay, you all want to put on the chat, come. Okay, any ideas? Okay, there's about 3% here, and Anne, Beth, and Clara had an average of 128 stickers. And then after that, after they give the average of the 3%, then after that, they were saying about Anne and Beth had an average of 126 stickers now. After that, they say Beth and Clara had an average of 115 stickers. Then the main question here is, how many stickers did Beth have? Okay. Okay, I'm seeing lots of people saying average, but there's one more particular thing here. Anyone? Any idea? Other than average. Of course, average is one of the main things here that we will need to use later. Okay. Not really sure. Okay, there's no dots. There's no comparisons. Okay. Not algebra. Okay. All right. So the other thing here, right? You see this? Every line, right? There's someone common. Okay. Initially, they are talking about Anne, Beth, Clara. Then after that, they are talking about Anne and Beth. Then after that, Beth and Clara. Okay. So there's always someone common between each of the line. So what we call this is, we can call this repeated repeated identity. Okay, so there's a repeat. Okay, initially they were saying about, there's information about Anne, Beth, and Clara. Then after that they repeat, but something different. Okay, they are saying about Anne and Beth. And after that they are saying about Beth and Clara. Okay, but of course, because there's this word here, average, there's something about average that you need to use here. Okay. Okay, so for this question, I give you a bit more time. Okay, I give you 4 minutes. Okay. Of course, there's something about average you need to use here. At the same time also, something about their names being repeated, right? That is another hint here. Okay. So just take note about another thing. When we are talking about average, right? There's 3 things involved, correct? Remember that triangle? There's the total, there's the average, there's the number. Okay, so if given the average of 3%, and Beth and Clara, so what is the missing item there? Okay, and also for the second line, it's about Anne and Beth, so 2% now. So what is missing again? Okay, so you need to find something first, then you compare between their total, their amount. I accidentally give some additional hints there. Okay? Alright, okay. Come 4 minutes for you all to try. Okay, I saw some answers there. Okay, I think that is too small. Okay, at the same time, I think I saw some correct answer. Okay. Of course, cannot be the same answer as the one of the numbers that is given in the question. Okay, so, but if for some reason you all got 126 for with some steps included, right? Then later we will check lah. Okay, but the answer is not in the question. Okay. Okay. Okay, those who just joined, okay, do like and share. Okay, at the same time, you can, if you haven't followed MasterMaths, okay, do follow us. Okay, and then at the same time, take note, on your screen, right, you can see this Telegram link. Okay, it's actually our free channel for you all to get free resources and also the worksheet for today and also for upcoming lives also. Okay, you can get more information on upcoming lives. Okay. Okay, those who were not able to see this, right, let me bring it down. Okay. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, I can see some correct answers there. Good job, good job. Okay, 2 more minutes. Correct answers there. Good, good. Okay, those on IG, some of you are giving like a very low answer. Probably because you are using the average number immediately. Okay? Take note, there's something you have to do there before you compare the 128 and the 126. Okay? Okay, 2 more minutes. Welcome to the live, Shoaib. Okay. These questions are actually from some P5 exam papers lah. Okay. But even if you are P4, feel free to just sit and listen also. Okay. It will be beneficial also. Some concepts can be applied also to your questions. I'm seeing some of you writing the correct steps there. Okay, good job, good job. Okay. Hi Kabir. Don't worry, okay, those who just took your maths exam, okay, don't worry. There's still time to practice before your PSLE. Okay, get an early head start. Alright? Okay. Alright, okay, so I already see some of you already got the correct answer, and then some of you even are writing some of the correct first steps there. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, so for this, right, like what I showed you just now, the triangle, right, what we have is, we have the average, we have the number. What we are missing is the total. Okay, so we can actually find the total. So total of N plus Beth plus Clara. Okay, total of the 3% there will be 128 times 3. Okay, why? Because 3%, right? And Beth, Clara, 3%. So we multiply. Okay, those who are new to that triangle, right? The vertical line there stands for multiply. The horizontal line stands for divide. Okay, so like here I want to find total, right? So why do I cover my total? When I cover total, what do I get? Average times number. Okay, if I want to find the number of students, I cover the number. See, I got T divided by A. Total divided by average. If I want to find average, I cover average. Then I got T divided by total divided by number. Okay, so those who are new to this triangle, just a heads up. Okay, so now we multiply by 3. What do we get? 384. This is the total of N, Beth, Clara. Alright? Okay, then after that, right? What we can find next, because just knowing the total of these 3 person, right now is not useful. So I can proceed to the second information there, which is N and Beth. Okay? N and Beth now is for 2%. So I take this 126, multiply by 2, this is 252. Okay? Okay, so now I know the total of N, Beth, and Clara. Now I also know the total of N and Beth. Okay? Right now itself, right, before I even go to the third item there, I can already find someone already. You see? Here I got N, Beth, and Clara. Here I have N and Beth. What happens if I take this out from here? If I take this out, right, I'm left with Clara. Okay, when I'm saying take out means minus. Okay, so basically for Clara, it will be 384 minus 252. Okay? And I get 132. So now I already know what Clara has. So now all I have to do is to find the total of Beth and Clara. Okay, so to do that, same like how just now I was using N and Beth. Okay, same thing here. Beth and Clara will be 115 multiplied by 2, 230. So now, you see, I have Clara here with this value. So I can take it out from here, minus from here, I will have left with Beth. Okay, so Beth is 230 minus 132. And this is the answer that a lot of you were writing just now. Good job. Answer is 98. Alright. Okay. Good job, good job. Okay. A lot of you just now were putting 98. Very good, very good. Okay. 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 So, just in case those who just joined, just take note, the worksheet is here. Okay, click on this link. Cannot click on your screen, of course. Okay, type it out on your Instagram, on your Telegram, or just a Google search. Okay, on your browser. Then you can find our Telegram channel where you can find these notes. Okay, those who are new also. One more thing. Follow us, okay? Okay, on your top there, you see MasterMaths, click it. Okay, click it and like it. Okay, follow us. At the same time, this live also, you see the like button at the bottom, spam it. Okay, and share it with your friends also. Okay, don't enjoy alone, enjoy with your friends. Alright? Yeah, keep on sharing, keep on liking. Okay, and also like our page so you can see upcoming lives also. Alright? Okay, so in case anyone was lost or just joined, okay, this was a question on average with repeated identity. Okay, so just take note, when you have average and repeated identity, right, those are like two things combined. Okay, when you have average, the missing thing here was the total. So I can find the total. I cannot immediately use like 128, I minus 126. Okay, cannot, I cannot do that. So what I need to do first, I need to find the total of Anne, Beth and Clara. So that was what I did here. Okay, but just by doing that, I wasn't able to do anything yet. Next, what I can do is, I was able to find total of Anne and Beth by multiplying by 2. Then you see, when I compare this 3%, the only person extra here was Clara. So I find Clara by taking the 384 minus 252, and I got 132. Then after that, but they didn't ask for Clara. If they asked for Clara, we can actually stop there. But what they asked for is Beth. So we need to use the third information here, which is Beth and Clara. Average is 115. So Beth and Clara, 115 times 2 equals to 230. So now I have Beth and Clara, I have Clara. So I minus them, I got the amount for Beth. Okay? Okay. Alright, okay. So if everyone is fine with this, okay, let's go to the next question. The next question, okay, is on GST, and this question was like very accurate now. Okay, it's showing 8% GST, no more 7%. Okay, if you see some older papers, you see 7%. Okay, now they follow the actual rule, 8%. Okay, all right. So the question here, don't worry, this percentage question, you don't have to like convert to fraction or decimal. Okay, you can purely just use percentage. All right. Okay, so for this question, they provide the usual price of a laptop was $1,580. That is the usual price. Okay, that means like without any sale, if you see this laptop at the shop, the price tag there shows 1,580. Okay, but Walter was given a 20% discount. Okay, maybe it was like some year-end sale or something like that coming up, right? Okay, so 20% discount. Okay, so discount, is it will bring the price down, or were you supposed to add to the price? Okay, come. Answer in the chat. Okay, discount, you supposed to minus or supposed to plus? Subtract, minus. Okay, good, good. Okay, I'm seeing minus, minus. Okay, very good. Okay, discount is supposed to minus. Okay, cannot do both lah. Okay, so you minus. So what you do is you take 100% minus 20%, we get 80%. Okay, so the discounted price that we need to find is, we need to find 80%. 80%. Okay, then next part, they say that he had to pay an 8% GST. GST is a tax on the discounted price. So I need to find this discounted price first. So what I do is, okay, I let you all try on your own first. Okay, if not, because this question is quite easy actually. Okay, yeah, some people are already saying so simple. Okay, come, try yourself first. Of course, the price is supposed to be less than 1,580. Okay, the only a bit of a challenge here, right, is this part here. The challenge is this. You must take note that the one that he had to pay is 8% on the discounted price. Okay, on the discounted price. So you must find the discounted price first, then find the additional 8%. Okay? Okay, guys, I give you all 3 minutes to finish this question first before I go through. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, don't worry, they will the question will not follow the current GST rule. Always see what is written on the question paper. Okay? Like even if next year this question comes out, right? If they put there 8%, you still use 8%. Okay. I'm seeing lots of correct answers. Okay, good. Okay, good job. Okay, those who just joined, okay, do like and share this live. Okay, at the same time, if you're new to MasterMaths and you have not followed our page, okay, do click the at the top there, click and follow. Okay. Okay, do follow us. Okay, so you will be able to know when is like the next live and all that. Okay. At the same time, do share the live with your friends. Okay, and click like also. And at the same time, if you are wondering, where was these notes? Where can I get these notes? Okay, you can actually get it at the top there. This Telegram channel is a free channel. Okay, you can enter the URL into your browser. Then you'll be directed to your Telegram app where you can join. Okay, there's other free resources there also. Okay, at the same time, right, on the top left, okay, is actually our website. Okay, you can go in and look at what other programs we have, and we also have an upcoming program for like a head start for 2024. Okay, you can also take a look there if you're interested to know more. Okay. All right. Anyone else got the answers? Come on, don't be shy. Share on the chat. Okay, of course, take note, there's a discount here, okay? So the answer cannot be something that is more than 1,580. Alright, so if you got an answer that is more than 1,580, do check your workings again and retry, okay? Probably there's, you might actually maybe accidentally do 8% multiply by the 1,580 instead. Okay, that's why. Okay, and also if you are getting like a few hundred answers, that is also too small. Okay, the discount is not that much lah. Okay. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, so just now, initially I was sharing this, right, that it is a discount of 20%. So what we do to find the discounted price is, we can first take 100% minus 20% equals to 80%. Okay, for some of you who might be asking, where does the coach get the 100% from? Okay, so usually anything that we start with 100%. Okay, like the percentage that is referring to the total amount or the initial amount or the original amount. Like in this case, the usual price is 100%. Okay, so we need to find this 80% because we need to find 8% on the discounted price. So 80% over 100 multiplied by 1,580. So we can do some cancellations here first. The 0 and this 0 can cancel. This 0 and this 0 also can cancel. So what you are left with is 8 multiplied by 1,580. Okay, then the answer is $1,264. This is the discounted price, but it's not yet the price that he paid for. To find that, okay, some of you may find like 8% over 100 multiplied by the amount first, then you add. But there's a shortcut here. You can also immediately find 108 over 100. Multiply by 1264. Okay, if you do this, you will get the answer as $1,365.12. Okay? Okay. Alright, so you see the main thing here, this 108, why 108? Because 100 plus 8. Okay? So just now take note, we minus because discount. GST we plus. Okay? Okay. Alright, so this question is like purely percentage. Okay, there's no like fractions involved or anything like that. There's no need for you to use ratio or anything like that. Okay, yes. Why 108? Because 100 plus 8. Okay, because GST is a form of tax. Okay, tax you increase. Okay, sometimes the question like have things like service charge, those kind of things. Okay. Alright. Okay, before we go to our last question for today, okay, press the like, share it with your friends. Okay, they can actually see the last question. Okay. Okay, so just a quick recap on this question. We started off with the usual price was 1,580. Okay, we start off with 100%. There's a discount of 20%. That's why we minus 20, we got 80%. Alright. So they mentioned here, he had to pay 8% GST on the discounted price. So we need to find the discounted price. That's why we do this. 80 over 100 multiplied by 1,580. See, I cancel this and this, cancel this and this. Then I got, wait, there's a additional 0 here, don't need. Okay, just 8 times 158, which gave me $1,264. This is the discounted price, but we need to add the GST also. Okay, so how do we add the GST? We can do 100 plus 8. So we find 108 over 100. Then multiply by 1,264 and we get this amount here. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, so those who just joined, okay, do like and share this, okay. At the same time, if you would like to have these notes, you can refer to this link here. Okay. At the same time, the link also you can find some other free resources there also. Alright. Okay. Alright, last question for today. Okay, this is actually another question where, but there's a bit of ratio involved here. Okay. It is like purely percentage. You don't actually have to convert the percentage to ratio. Okay, you can do that. Okay, but like I said just now, we don't need to do that. Okay, we can just use the percentage and the ratio separately for this question. Okay, so let's read the question first before I let you all try. Okay, so this is another paper 2 question. Okay, so there are 150 items in the bag. So they start off with 150. So 48% of them are pens. So 48% are pens. So the remaining percentage is, the rest of the items are erasers and rulers and 48 pencils. So altogether there are 4 items: pens, erasers, rulers, pencils. What you know here is that you know the total, which is 150. And we know that 48% are pens. We don't know erasers, we don't know rulers, but we know that pencils is 48 pencils. Okay? So now come the second part where we have ratio. They say that the ratio of erasers to number of rulers is the same as ratio of pens to pencils. Okay, so let me just write that down here. The ratio of erasers to rulers is equal to pens to pencil. Okay? So must take note about that. It will be useful later. Okay, when you're trying to solve this. So the last question, the main conclusion to this question is they're asking for how many rulers. So they're asking for rulers. Okay, so just a bit of hint here. Total is 150. Okay, total is 150. 48% is pens. Okay, so 48% is a pen. Remember, percent, not 48 pens. Okay, must take note about that. Don't mix that up. And then after that, 48 pencil. Here, this time now, it's not 48%, but it's 48 pencil. So we have a way to find the number of pens. We know number of pencils. Okay, the only unknown there is the erasers and rulers. At the same time, we know that the ratio of erasers to rulers is equal to the ratio of pens to pencils. Okay? Alright, so I give you all 4 minutes, okay, to try this out. Then we will go through, then that's it for today. Alright, come, 4 minutes. Okay, I hope with all the hints I give you, right now it's much easier now. Okay? Okay, 4 minutes. Let's go, let's go. Okay, once you all got your answers, okay, put it on the chat. Okay. Okay, those who just joined, welcome, welcome. We are the last question. Okay, but don't worry, follow us. Okay, then you'll know when is the next live gonna be. Okay, good. I'm already seeing some correct answers there. Okay, good job, good job. Carry on, carry on. Okay, 3 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, okay, there's still the last question I haven't go through yet. So do like and share with your friends also. Okay. Challenge your other friends, okay, to try this out also. Okay. No, they're asking for the number of rulers. 48 is given as number of pencils, not rulers. Okay. Come on, try. Okay. Quick recap. Okay, those who are still lost. Okay, they give you the total 150 item. Okay, remember earlier question I was mentioning that in percentage total is how many percent? I did mention earlier. Okay. Those who just joined then is okay lah. Okay. Then 48% is pens. So if total is that certain percentage, right? I take out 48%. How many percent left? For erasers, rulers, and pencils. But we also know that there are 48 pencils. Okay, that was the first hint. Second hint was the ratio of erasers to rulers is the same. Same meaning equal as the ratio of pens to pencils. Okay. Okay, so yes. Okay, good job, Amir. Okay, those who can see the correct answers there. Good job, good job. Okay, last 1 minute before I go through. Okay, those who are new, right? Okay, remember, click the live and click the name at the top there and follow us. Okay, then you will be able to see upcoming live sessions also. Especially those who just new, just join. Okay. Good, good. I saw somebody follow us. Thank you. Okay, like and share and follow. Okay. Especially those who just joined. Later you only see question 5, you're not able to see upcoming live sessions. So must follow. Okay. Alright, so I'm seeing, anyone else got the correct answer? Want to put on the chat? Amir, you only send me the ratio. You never send me the final answer. What is the final answer? Correct, Amir. Good job. Okay. Okay, come, let's carry on. So, in this question, total is 150 item. Okay, not 150%. 150 item. 48% are pens. So, let's find that first. So, pens. Okay, this is a laser. Okay, pens. How do I find the pens? I use a percentage. Form a fraction first. 48 over 100. Multiply by the total. In this case, the total is 150. So this will be, can cancel this 0 and this 0. Okay, that will be 72. Okay, there's some more things here that actually you can cancel. You can cancel this. This will be 3. This will be 2. Then 48 divided by 2, 24 and 1. 24 times 3, 72. Okay? Okay, that is your number of pens. Okay, now, we know that pens to pencils is, we can form the ratio already. Because we know our pencils, 48. Okay? So, 72 to 48. Simplest form will be, I can divide by 24. I will get 3 is to 2. Okay, now what is our erasers and ruler? Okay, we know that total was 150. Okay, total was 150. We minus the pens. Then we minus the pencils. We will get 30. Okay. So this is the total of erasers and rulers. This is the total ratio. So 3 plus 2 is 5 units. 5 units is 30. So 1 unit will be 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. Okay, but they're asking for erasers. Erasers is 3 units. 6 times 3. No. Erasers is not, oh yeah. They are not asking for erasers, they are asking for rulers. Okay, so 2 units. Answer is 12. Okay? Yeah, 2 units. Okay? 6 times 2, answer is 12. Okay, so take note, some questions you can do it separately. Okay, especially for this one. Okay? So there's percentage involved. Percentage just to find the pens actually. Then the rest is just simply your ratios. Okay, then you can find the answers already. Alright, so just before we end, Here are some of the links, okay, that you can take a look at, okay. We have our registration for upcoming 2024 classes. You can take a look at this link here, okay, and then, okay, also take some few minutes, you can share your experience by entering this link here, okay. Okay, those who have it already open up on your iPad, you just click it, okay, or your mobile phones. Okay, those who don't have it, you can go to this link to find these notes. Okay, and those who have exams tomorrow or the remainder of this week, all the best. Okay, those who already done it, also all the best for your results. All right. Okay, those who are still copying, I give you all 1 more minute. Okay, those yes, okay. Actually, even though the live is for primary 5, okay, but our centers is actually for primary 1 all the way to Sec 5. All right. So those who are in secondary school also, you may, if you want to take a look at that link also, you can. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone and see you all next time. Bye bye.